Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a makeup look, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. If you're watching me first time, then I'm Sonam Raotole. I'm a professional artist, but this is the channel I have started to have just to share some vlogs and some makeup videos, and whatever I do in my life I just share it over here. And if you're interested, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the more notifications. Recently I have bought a really amazing palette from Amazon, eyeshadow palette from Amazon, and I just wanted to review it. It is so beautiful. If you are a person who likes budget friendly eyeshadow palette, actually I had bought that palette for my refills and I wanted to refill. I broke some eyeshadow palette, so I just wanted to refill it, removing all the pans from it, and I bought it for just 325 rupees, and it is a huge palette. So I thought, like, why not to just change it and just fix my all the eyeshadows in it. But when I bought that palette, oh my god, it was so pigmented, it was so beautiful. Like, I was like flattered by it. So if you want to see that beautiful palette, then so I was talking about this. It's the Urban Mac palette. It is this palette, and these are the beautiful shades in it, and I am so adored with this. It is so beautiful, and if you buy this one palette, you're done with it. Like, you are done with it. And I'm going to show you, I'm just going to create some looks with it today, and I also wanted to use this and see how this works. And also I just swatched it. I'll just swatch some for you. You can see, oh my god, it's so pigmented. See, it is so pigmented, and I could not wait to use it. So I thought, like, why not to make a video and just to show you all guys. So you can see is such a pigmented palette to create this look, and let's see how it has the fallouts, or I don't know. The swatches I love the swatches. I have tried some golds also, so they're so pretty, and I tried most of the colors, so they are really amazing. So long, so So today I'm going to use this Kama Ayurveda moisturizing base. This is a skin texturizing Jalwani. This is really small. So this is from Kama Ayurveda, and I'm loving this for my night skincare routine also. But I had yesterday I had just gone out and I had just used this for my under makeup, and it turned out so beautiful, so beautiful it was. I'm going to take a quite amount of it, and I'm just going to apply on my skin. You can see the glow. It's an oil based, it is not sticky, it is beautiful. It just absorbs beautifully into your skin, and it just gives you like really glass type of a glow. I hope you can see the glow. So this is really beautiful. Go for the dramatic look today, because I want to use most of the eyeshadows from the palette, and I want to see how it works and how everything goes on. And picking up my primer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer under my eyes, and also on my eyelid, blended with my beauty blender. It blends beautifully. I'm just spreading out all the concealer, whatever I have on my under eyes, and I'm just going to take it all over my skin. This is a damn beauty blender, so it's really good to blend out everything. That I'm going to take a really fine brush like this, and I'm going to take this Urban Mac, whatever I know, anything, whatever you call it, and I'm going to take it from here. It doesn't have any of the shade. This is a normal palette, so it has a lot of fallout. So I'm going to grab this out, and I'm just going to apply this. It doesn't have any of the mirror or anything, So I'm just going to apply this onto my crease. Okay, it has been applying amazing. Okay, the shade is beautiful. It's quite pigmented and it is beautiful. I hope you can see that. I have not set my eyelid with the powder because I personally don't feel setting my eyelid with the powder, and I just like to go over my eyelid like this and just get that really nice effective look. I feel so it gets really pigmented as you take it. So I'm just taking the eyeshadow pigment to entire pigment to my inner corners, and I'm just going to blend it with the same brush. This is a tiny little brush and it goes really inside to my inner corners, and I'm just going to blend it really softly. Today I'm going to show you the eyes, dramatic eyes, because I just want to test out this eyeshadow palette, and if you like it, it is just for 325 and you get so many colors in it. You can create so many looks with it and you are going to love this palette. So I'm going to take chocolate shade from here. This is like, it's not like a chocolate, but it is like a little bit of burnt red color type, and I'm going to use this. Just tap this out. This color is really pigmented. So I'm just going to, I hope you can see the pigment because without camera it is looking so beautiful. And then I'm just going to work this into my at the outer corners, and I'm just going to blend it into my, I'm going to use the same brush to just go on my outer corners and just build this up, and then I'm going to go and lift this up for my outer corners again. I'm not going inside as I'm going to go only the halfway and just build it. You can travel with this, you can carry this anywhere you want, and this palette is with full of the colors, any of the colors you want. It's full of colors, and I personally loved this palette. Like the payoff of this, beautiful. All the link will be given in the description box. Pencil type of a brush, and then I'm going to go with this dark brown over here. Is it? Yes, here. Wow. Only at the outer corner. I'm just going to deposit that color. Just deposit it, just press it. You can see how I'm pressing it. You're just going to press that. That's it. I just want my curve of my eye, and that's it. And I'm just going to tap this and then go and blend it. I'm just going to tap this again at my outer corners, and I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to pick up the same brush which I have picked up earlier, and this it has a little bit of pigment, so I'm going to use the same pigment what it has. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to buff it inside. Take it and buff it inside really nicely on the glitter side, and let's see how the glitter works. But they swatch really beautifully, they apply really beautifully. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to take this matte fix plus and I'm going to spray this really chocolatey shimmery shade from here, and I'm just going to apply it on my lid now. Ooh, it's way creamy. I'm just going to okay, this is gorgeous. Halfway I have a, oh my god, this looks so pretty. To take the same shade from here, okay, to apply it on my lid, build this up. Oh my god, I'm going to grab the same shadow and I'm going to go under my eyes. That's it. After that, I'm just going to take the same pencil brush and I'm just going to blend this. Pick up this beautiful peachy like of a metallic shade from here. You can see beautiful. And I'm just going to apply just on my centers and just tap. I'm just going to pick this up again and I'm just applying it on my with my fingers. That's it. Just going to blend this. That's it. Blend it beautifully. That's it. That's it. I love to do makeup. I love to get ready. I love to do my artwork. So I just want to use this. I know my eye look is ready now, but I just want to take this red type of shade over here and just go with the grease, and I just want to see if that works. This is the red color from here, and I'm just going to tap this. Few shades had a lot of fallouts, but the application is beautiful. So I'm just going to go. Oh wow. Oh wow, it is looking so stunning. I'm going to use the clean brush. This is a little bit flatter brush and this is a really clean brush, so I'm just going to go and just wipe out, just smooth out my edges of my outer look, also my under eyes, everything. Just smooth out the look, just blend it really nicely, as we have used so many colors for it. So just go and just blend this out. So after my eye look is done, we are just going to take a wet wipe and I'm just going to remove the whatever fallout it was. It had no fallout, like 1% fallout. And I'm just going to tab it, whatever concealer was there on my blender, and I'm just going to take it under my neck also, and I'm just going to blend this. I have not applied any of the foundation, nothing. It's just that beautiful oil and just a little bit of concealer, and that's it. I'm going to take the 10 Light Fit Me concealer and I'm just going to brighten up my under eyes a little bit and nothing else, a little bit, and I'm just going to blend this out. This is not a base makeup, but this is a mainly eyeshadow look makeup, because this is a first impression of this eyeshadow palette. So I love the glitters, I love the eye look, as I can create so many things with it, but I just want to stop here because the eye look and that I created, it is looking so beautiful. So now I'm going to take this Lucy eyeliner and this is in black, so I'm just going to line this up. You can use gel liner, you can use anything. I will use this liner today, just a extended one like this. Okay, same way I'm just going to take it there. I'll come back. So yeah, I'm just keeping my base really soft, really nice, and just I'll finish my all the makeup and come back soon. So this is my final look, and don't forget to give a like, thumbs up to my video, and also subscribe to my channel. So yeah.